In this ukulele tutorial, we're gonna play Get Back by the Beatles. We're gonna jam the whole song right here with a jam track. Everything you need to follow along with this easygoing jam is gonna be right here on the screen. There are links in the video description below to the printable song sheet, jam tracks, and a bonus lesson where I teach you the very cool guitar solo and the keyboard lick at the end of each chorus. So thanks for joining me, and many thanks to everybody supporting this channel at my Patreon page. There are links down below to get all kinds of bonuses for this and many other lessons. Get Back is a pretty easy song to play. There are lots of different ways you can strum this. You could simply play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, na, 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 na. And that's totally cool for keeping the beat. We move from A, and while we're on A, we can drop our ring finger onto the second string, second fret to get a little boogie woogie sound. Now the strum I'm doing is a very quick down and up shuffle, and it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. When you do it quickly, it's very light. Can you hear I'm dropping that finger? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move to the D major chord. You can finger this in a number of different ways, and you can add another melodic note, dropping the pinky at the third fret of the second string. When you put these two chords together, it's a cool classic rock sound. Jojo was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew it couldn't last. And then you have these very percussive chord stabs, G, D, back to A. How you doing so far? If you're enjoying yourself, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so you keep in the loop of everything I'm offering here at Ukulele Zen. Let's move on to a couple of things for the chorus and a cool keyboard lick. When we get to the chorus, there's an interesting change from A to A7. What's interesting is that the rhythm is syncopated. 1, 2, 3, get back, get back. See, A7 comes a little before the beat. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. And then at the end of the second, third, and fourth chorus, the chorus ends hanging on a D major chord, and there's such a cool keyboard lick from Billy Preston. Let's learn it right now. Now I have more details at the bonus lesson down below, but for starters, put your middle finger, 9th fret, ring finger 9th fret. The secret sauce is going to be to keep the consistent fingering. Notice how my middle finger now moves down to the 6th fret. And now middle finger is still on that string. Still on that string. And that's the magic of the guide finger. When you put this all together, it's nice if you put some slides in there too. Don't get discouraged if this is tricky at first. It's supposed to be tricky at first. Make sure that you play the game of shooting darts. Just do something once. Try to bullseye it. If you make 3 bullseyes in a row, you're really making progress. So shoot the dart once. Take the hand off. Pick the dart up again, so to speak, and try to make 1 more bullseye. All right, let's jam the whole tune. Make sure you check the links down below to get the song sheet, jam tracks, and bonus lesson that will teach you this guitar solo. Thanks for being here. Let's jam. Jojo was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew Jojo left his home in Tucson, Arizona for some California grass. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, Jojo. Get back, back to where you once belonged.
She was a woman, but she was another man. All the girls around her said she had it coming, but she gets it while she can. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Come on now. Get back to where you once belonged. Well, thanks for joining me and jamming along. Be sure to check the links down below. Appreciate you being here for this video. Why don't you click this one right over here for another fun Beatles jam for you to enjoy. Have a good day. Get back, get back. Get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where